Hi, this is Aisha. You often see bookshelves in magazines styled to perfection. Have you ever wondered how they've gotten to that effect? Well, today I'm going to go through that with you one by one, step by step. Tip number 1. Arrange books by color. I cluster books together with a consistent color palette. Take this a bit further and arrange books by size. Tip number 2. Use storage boxes from IKEA to hide unsightly, messy things and stack these boxes at the bottom of the shelves. I myself have a lot of samples which I end up storing in these boxes. Create visual interest by stacking books both horizontally and vertically. Please be mindful not to stack all books vertically all on one side. This will create disbalance to your arrangement. You notice the way your eye bounces from horizontal to vertical here? Horizontal stacks also give us the opportunity to stack accessories and photo frames, which add further visual interest. Tip number 4. A little bit of space in the shelves is always a good thing. Cramming shelves with too many things makes the bookshelves look extremely messy. Tip number 5. Lastly, install lights on top of the bookshelves to show off your wonderful book and object collection. Why don't you try and style your bookshelves today, keeping these simple tips in mind? Finally, it's done. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel.